fucking nice ass scope.
I'm telling you, Dad, I know it'll go through trees. That's what we use to test fire the damn things on. It'll go
awesome.
Yeah, I'll build it here.
Alright, then there's that switch on there for.
Yeah, I got it.
Yes.
Oh, Jesus. It's not blind. Well, my pick that is blind. From shooting standpoint, if I'm standing next to it.
Show him Rambo! Nice!
Fucking blew my earballs right off! Yeah, that's right. Catch that?
Yep, got her.
Roughnecking it now.